Okay, now I'm going to show you how can employers, that means teachers, can log in for eSchooly website or the app. In the end, I'll show you how to log in from the phone. Now I'll show you how to log in from the computer or desktop or a laptop. Anything. Now I'll share my screen. And first you must go to eSchooly.com website. I think if I have added you, you have get a SMS for your phone number. Same way, you must follow this step. Click on login, and here click on employee. In that, if you have get a SMS, you have if I have added you, you have get a SMS. Yeah, I think so. And in that you have get a username and a password. You must paste it here. I'll add this. Okay, I'll add this username and the password. You can see this. Click on remember me. After put a tick here and click on login. Then it login. Okay, now you can see this dashboard. Okay, here you can see you can mark the attendance also, because this is the employee. Click on grade 7 and click on search, and you can click on here P and click on, if he is present you can click on P, if he is absent you can click on A, if he has leave you can click here L. I'll put P and click on submit. Okay, now you can create a new test also, class test. Here grade 7 search. Okay, you can put the subject here, yes, and put the mark here, and I'm not creating because okay. Then click on exams. You can add the exam here. There is no classes. Okay, and click on add assignment. In that you can add home assignments for students. Click on grade 7 and click on search and put the subject and put the date. Your date. What's the date? Not today date. The assignment date. Then I put that and write the assignment here, and you can go to messaging section. Okay, now you can put for school admin or specific class or specific student. I'll put specific class grade 7 and put the message here. Hi students. Students. You can put on single also. Okay, and go to live class. This is the important one. And you must click here sign up. Only if you are a employee, click here sign up and put your name and put your email address. I'll just put this. Put your email address and put the password. Yeah, I put the password and put the name here and click on sign up. If you sign up, just put this and click here sign up. Then only you can schedule the meetings. Click here sign up. Then go to back to login and put your click here sign up. Oh, sorry. Put your email address here and put the password here when you create an account, you put the email address and password. No? You must put that email address and the password and click here login. Then you can create a meeting host. Then click on host meeting. Then put your title of this meeting and put ID as trinco.nalanda and put the subject math like that, and create here, create and join now. And after you join, I'll put trinco.nalanda. Okay, after you join, click here join. After you join the meeting, put your name here, give the access, allow. Then, sorry, then put your name here. I'll put it, what's happening? I'll put Ashel, sorry. Then I'll put, then I'll click on join meeting. Then now you can, the employees, you can click here, you can share the screen, and you also can chat with the students. You can create a poll, that means like a question, and you can click here participators and click here invite someone. Then from that only you can invite the students. Click here, after that click here share invite, share meeting invite, invitation. Click here this one, copy invitation, then go back and go to WhatsApp and paste it and send it to our group. Okay, and you also that much invite people, the same thing. And okay, now I'm going to show you how to, this is for the after to give a feedback. You don't want to give the feedback, you go back, close this window and go back. Then after that, now I'll show you how to log in from the phone. Now go to Play Store and click here search, in the search. This is I'm doing from the computer, I have converted to the phone. Click here search and put simple E, capital S, K, double O, Y, L, Y. Then search. Then here click here install. I'm not installing this because I have installed it already. Now click here employee. Now I'll put, sorry, not this. Now I'll put the employee username and click here remember me and click in login. Here. Now you can see this. Now go to the same thing. Mark attendance. You can say, you can do from the phone also, same thing. Then exam, add assignment, messaging, the same thing. Then live class. Now I'll turn this to a phone, convert this. Now this is a phone, you can see. The same thing, you must first you must sign up. Click on sign up and put the name, email and password and the confirmation, and click on back to login and put here your email address. When you sign up, you have put the email address, right? Then you must put that email address and put the password and click on login and go to host meeting. Then put the title here and put a meeting ID, trinco.nalanda, the subject. I'll put mathematics. Okay. Then okay, join now. You can join it. Yes. Yeah. No, create and join now. Then you can join now. Then you can do the things. I'll I'll join now. Click and join now. This is some example. And in join, it's joining. Here, when you're logging from the phone, it will come like this. Here, you must click here, launch in web. Okay, and click here, put your name, and click here, join meeting. And okay, right, the same thing. Go click here, click on a button, and click here. You can share your screen. You can share your screen also from the phone. When you share the screen, okay, I'll not share now. Then you can invite the people, same thing. Then participators, invite someone, same thing. Any problem, please contact me. Now, okay, it's over now. Now, thank you for watching this video. And if you have any problems, please put a comment in the comment section. If you have any problem, if I'll reply for that. And please subscribe our channel and like it and share it. Now the next is the synchronization. It is start. Thank you.